Hi everybody, Marco Carballo here from businesscreditblogger.com. Today's video we're going to talk about the virtual office solution. If you're looking to set up your business and you want to have a professional corporate image on a very small budget, this is the video for you. Or if you have an existing business and you have lots of expenses and you're looking to streamline your process, you want to work remotely but you still want to have that big professional corporate image without all the major expenses like an office lease, etc. This is also a video for you. So we're going to talk about how the virtual office solution, we're going to talk about compliance when it comes to building business credit, that why it's such a great solution for you if you're looking to build business credit. What do you need? You need to be compliant. Number two is credibility. How a virtual office establishes the credibility of your business, not just for a business credit perspective, but also for customers, for attracting new customers to your company. We're going to talk about the communication aspect of a virtual office solution, how you're going to be able to communicate to customers, to lenders, suppliers, to any type of individual or company trying to reach your company, the communication benefits of a virtual office solution. And we're going to talk about the cost, why it's such a small price compared to a major company having a brick and mortar location, why a virtual office solution is a minimal cost for you to have that entire appearance of a big professional corporate image. So let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, let's talk about why a virtual office. Well, compliance, we said that's number one. The benefits of a virtual office, it provides some of the major components required in the business credit building process. So what does that mean? When you get into getting your company what we call credit ready, you want to have a business address. You want to have your business phone line, business fax number. You want a business voicemail. So you have to have the appearance and structure of a legitimate business operation. The virtual office helps you achieve that, and we're going to share with you how to do that. So it helps you become compliant, because if you miss some of these key components when you apply for credit with a vendor or a supplier or a bank, and you're missing some of those components that to legitimize the operation of your business, many times you can get declined for credit, or even customers may not want to do business with you. So this is very important when it comes to compliance. Credibility, that's another thing. You get all the benefits of a brick and mortar location without the expense of running an actual office. So if you have a small business, you're running your business from home, but you don't want to, say, use your home address for your business and you want to build business credit, this is a perfect solution for you. You can have all the benefits of having a corporate address, a business location, but also not and protect using your home address as your business. Then this is a great solution for you, but also establishes lots of credibility for you as a new business, whether you're a startup or existing business, whether you choose to work from home or not. Now, communication. You get all the proper communication channels across your business in one place with a virtual office. So this particular provider we're going to share with you in this video provides everything you need under one umbrella. So you don't have to go to this provider for a phone line. You don't have to go to this provider to get a business mailing address. You don't have to go to this provider to get a fax number. You get everything under one roof. So this allows you to streamline everything for one small cost every single month to run your entire operation as a business. Now, cost, that's huge. No office leases you have to worry about, utility payments. You don't have to buy furniture to furnish your office, no hardware, and none of the costs are associated with running a brick and mortar location, because that can become very expensive, especially if you're just starting out. Let's say you run an online business, but you want to have that big corporate setup. This is a perfect solution for you, okay? So, or let's say you're a big business and you're spending thousands of dollars a month in office space, and you like to have meetings with your clients. You want to be able to meet your clients, but it still costs you a lot of money. You can still have all the benefits. You can get a virtual office, and in many virtual offices, there's over 650 locations here with this particular provider. They have meeting rooms. They have conference rooms that you can meet clients with. So that can help you reduce your costs, but still have all the benefits of meeting clients at an actual location, your commercial space. So you'll see virtualofficeplan.com. That'll take you right to our provider site. where you can enroll in this virtual office, but I encourage you to watch this whole video because we're going to go into some details, the benefits, why this is a great product. We're even go into a cost breakdown as well. Okay, so let's get into what is a virtual office. Basically, it's a turnkey corporate solution providing the same benefits as a traditional office space, but at a very, very low cost. You get everything you need as a business. You get a corporate business address, dedicated business phone number and fax number. And I'm talking about these benefits for this particular provider. Not all providers provide this. Some of them have a premium cost if you want to have a live receptionist, etc. This particular provider includes a live receptionist answering your phone calls, and it's unlimited. So it's not like a certain amount of minutes or hours. You get a live person who's answering incoming calls to your phone number, your business, dedicated business phone number that says, welcome to, and they say your company name. So it's literally like you have an employee working for you, but that's included with this package. You get a company voicemail. Conference room and boardrooms are available at certain locations. You do have to rent those though if you want to meet a client at a conference room. That's an additional service. This particular company charges $25 to use the conference room. Okay, your virtual office. Let me kind of talk to you, kind of walk you through the process when you set up in the benefits of a virtual office. So when you get a virtual office service, you get a dedicated local business phone number. You can have a toll-free number too, but let's say you want a local number for your business because you're located in a certain location, like a certain state, and you want it to be local. You can get a local phone number, no problem. But when a customer calls into that dedicated business phone number, let's say you have a cell phone, all right? You don't want to use your cell phone for your business, okay? But you want to have your own dedicated business number. What happens is this company sets up and gives you your own local business phone number. That's included. So when someone calls that dedicated business number of yours, a live receptionist says, welcome to your company name, and how can I help you? And what they do at that time, so now you have someone answering your phone line, that live receptionist will either transfer them to voicemail. Let's say you're not available at that particular time, and you can let them know that, what times you're willing to accept calls. Or they could do a live transfer to your phone line. So they called your business number, but let's say that receptionist live transfers that call to your cell phone. The customer calling in has no idea you're answering on your cell phone because it's a live transfer. They just called your business number, okay? So that's what's really unique of having, you could work remotely. You could be working from home, but you don't want someone to know your home phone number. That's where a virtual office business phone line benefits you. The other thing is this particular company, this provider, also 411 lists your business phone number. So the business local phone number they give you, they automatically also add it to directory assistance. Okay, so as you know, in building business credit, that's one of the things we always talk about is getting your business listed in the directories. Why is that? Because when a vendor or a supplier or credit source looks up your company and wants to verify that your company, the existence of your company, the legitimacy of your company, they look to see if you're listed in the 401 directory. So this is already included with this service, which is really neat. Now, you also get a dedicated business fax number, and this can be both local phone numbers. So if your area code is XYZ, your local business phone number could be XYZ and your fax number could be XYZ. So not only can your business address be local, your business phone number, your business fax number. So you see how all this works? This is completely keeping your personal phone number, your personal cell phone, your personal home address completely separate from your business, but it still can be connected. All right, so like you're running a major corporation over here, but everything is on your personal side to run your business, like your calls can be forwarded here, business mail could be forwarded to your home address, but it's still separating, creating that privacy for you as well. So when you select a business address, you have over 650 locations to select from. These are 650 commercial locations. These aren't retail centers or anything like that. These are not post office boxes or anything like that. This is actual brick and mortar business locations. Okay, and many of you may ask, well, what if there's all these other companies sharing the one building address? Many businesses run that way. It's a building. You have many companies working under one building, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. That's still a business, a mailing address. Your business can be forwarded to you daily, weekly, etc. So that's all handled through this virtual office provider. So what does that mean? So let's say you live in Texas, or you live in any of these states out there, and there's a premium location. You want to select that's the business location I want my company to be based out of, and you live right by there, so it's local. Any mail coming to your business address, your virtual office business address, gets forwarded to you. It could be forwarded to your home. It could be forwarded to any address that you want. But that's another big benefit for you. It keeps that separation between your personal and your business, okay? Now, they also have additional services with this particular provider. You can get conference rooms, private parking, etc. They have a really cool feature that's, I believe this is $10 a month for this. It's a call out feature. So what does that mean? Let's suppose someone calls your business phone number and they leave a message, or the receptionist takes a message, or they transfer it to voicemail, and you need to call this customer back. But you don't want to call using your cell phone, or you don't want to call using your home phone. How do you call them back? Well, the call out feature means you can, in this service, you could call using your cell phone, but I don't know how they do it technically, but it shows when you call the customer that your business phone number is on the caller ID. So they have no idea that you're calling from your cell phone. You're calling still from your local business phone number that you have set up with the virtual office. So that's called the call out feature. The other really cool thing they have is a texting feature too. So what does that mean? Let's say your customer, you want to text your customer, they want you to text you some information, or you need to speak with your customer via text, but you don't want to give out your cell phone number. Well, they also have it again, another feature in here where you could text using your own cell phone, but it displays your business phone number as the text going through. So this is just all really cool technological benefits that shields you on the personal side, but also keeps the entire business image intact. Okay, so again, this is just really, really awesome when it comes to creating a big professional corporate image on a really small budget. And you're gonna be surprised when you find out all this, how much it costs. So the benefits: you get a professional corporate image and presence, a business address at an actual office location. Your business number gets automatically listed in the 401 directory. You can use your business address on company documents, credit applications. You can use it on Google directory listings if you want to put your business listing and address in more directories if you want, or when you're marketing or anything. This is going to be your business address. This is going to be your business phone number. So, many people, when it comes to building business credit, they don't want to use their home address, or will that make me get declined for credit if I use my home address? Of course, it's becoming more popular to be working from home, but at the same time, it's much better to have a complete separation from you. And you want to have that privacy also. So that's why you want to have a virtual office. You don't want to be giving out your home address on credit applications, whether it's your physical business address or even your physical mailing address for your business. You want to keep that completely separate, and you want to have that privacy as well. So that's why this does that. It completely separates. We talk about separating your personal business credit. You want to separate your business operation from your personal operation. Like you have your home as your residence. That's where you live. Your business address should be completely separate. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with working from home, but you want to have that separation as well. This will help you accomplish that without shelling out thousands of dollars on a lease expense for an office lease. So let's talk about getting your business credit ready. So this is turnkey when it comes to this virtual office solution. Like I said, you get your phone number, you get the business address, you get the 401 listing, you get the business fax number. So this will help you with getting approvals from certain types of credit applications that you put out there. Some suppliers or some vendors, if they decline you because you don't have a business address, or let's say they cannot verify your business, then this will help prevent that. So that's when we're talking about maximizing your business credit approvals. Plus, this will help you acquire more business as a business as far as customers go. Customers want to see that you're serious about your business, that you're a legitimate business operation, etc. Now, what do you get with your business address? You get a prime location that you can select out of 650 locations. This automatically establishes credibility because you have an office, a location. And if you choose a location that has a conference room, you can actually meet a client there if you want. So if a client is adamant and say, I want to meet you at your office, then make sure you select the office location locally to you with this provider that has conference rooms, so you can rent a conference room. It only costs $25 to meet that particular client. Avoid using your home address with your business. And all business-related mail can be sent to your business address, and it gets forwarded to you. Okay, so and then this saves you lots of money as far as from a cost perspective. You get some of the benefits of business amenities, like boardrooms are available with certain locations, free Wi-Fi access. There's a lobby, coffee shops, reception areas, private parking at certain locations, etc. You get a dedicated local phone number for your business that's listed in 411. This allows you, once you have that business phone number, you obviously want to provide that on credit applications. You want to provide that in online directories and your marketing, etc. And this allows you to establish a local presence instantly. You get 2 voicemail boxes. You can get more if you want, and more extensions. It costs extra for that. I did talk about the call out feature. Live call answering. This is really huge for you. You know, you don't have to worry about hiring someone and teaching them what to say. They have a professional receptionist that identifies your company. So even if a potential customer calls your business number and you have a live receptionist saying, welcome to ABC Company, and they're saying your company name, right then and there, that's instant credibility. You have someone live answering your phone call. Or they can send them directly to voicemail during after hours, or if you want your receptionist to transfer them to voicemail because you're not available, you could do that too. Or they could transfer live to you. So if you're working remotely, or let's say you're traveling out of the state, anything like that, and someone calls your business, you have no idea, you know, the customer has no idea you're not in your home office or you're not in your business office location. You're just taking the call live because they called your business phone number and the receptionist transferred you. So they could take messages for you, transfer calls. You can get all your voice messages via email as well, which is really cool. And they can convert your faxes to email as well. So all this technology is included, which makes things really beneficial for you as a business owner. You get your company fax number. So faxes get converted to email, like I said. And this is obviously, think about all these costs that you're avoiding. You don't have to buy a fax machine. You don't have to buy office furniture. You don't have to worry about hardware that you have to have in your office location, or hiring a live receptionist. All the other things that come in when you're hiring employees, there's other things, costs that you have to factor in. You don't have to get an office lease space, etc. So, or office lease. So these are all things that are really costs that you're going to save when you have a virtual office solution like this. So now this is the best value that I'm going to share with you is virtualoffiseplan.com. Why is it? Because you get all these locations you could choose from, all these other benefits that I'm telling you about. But more importantly, here's a little breakdown of some of the most popular virtual office solutions out there. All this is only $99 a month. So you can see this kind of breakdown. These other cost comparisons are some other providers out there that offer similar services. But you'll see they can go from $238, $250 to $300 or more a month. You're getting everything I'm sharing with you for only $99 a month. Okay, so that's, I don't know, you can't get any a better deal than that. You're having a live answering service, an unlimited someone answering your phone line live. You get the business address, the local phone number, local fax number, all those benefits of the technology included in it. So you can go to virtualoffiseplan.com to set up your virtual office. So when we're talking about corporate compliance or meeting the requirements before you start actually applying for credit, building your business credit, registering, getting your DUNS number, this is literally going to save you so much time because it sets up your entire, almost your entire foundation for your business. Of course, you need to set up your website and your business bank account, etc. But this gets a lot of the things out of the way. So check out virtualoffiseplan.com. Now, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. We're always putting out this information for building business credit, protecting your personal credit, and maximizing your funding ability. Click the subscribe button if you always want to be notified of every new video we put out. With that, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you real soon.